Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can transfer voice memos from your iPad to your MacBook or to your Windows machine wirelessly. So let's begin the video. First of all, let me show you how you can transfer voice memos from your iPad to your Mac or MacBook wirelessly using AirDrop. So let's begin. On your iPad, you're going to open the Voice Memos application, which is going to contain your one or multiple voice memos or recordings. In my case, I only have this one. So you're going to long press on any of the voice recording that you want to share. From here, we're going to click on the share option. And if you want to transfer it to a Mac or MacBook, you can simply click on AirDrop and it will show you any available devices. In my case, you can see it is showing my MacBook Pro. If you are unable to see your other devices, make sure that on your Mac or MacBook, go to the top, go to AirDrop options and make sure to select everyone. In this way, your iPad will detect the other device. On your MacBook, you will see this. Wants to share a voice memo, just accept it and it will be shared instantly. You can just close it and here you can see I have my voice memo. Now let me show you how you can do the same for Windows. Now if you want to transfer voice memos from your iPad to your Windows machine, the process is a little bit different because Windows does not support AirDrop. However, there is a solution where you can transfer files or voice memos wirelessly from your iPad to your Windows machine using a third-party software which is free and secure. So before we do anything, make sure that your iPad and your Windows machine are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is very important because if they are connected to a different Wi-Fi network, then they will not be able to transfer files. So make sure both the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now first of all, we are going to move toward our Windows machine and we are going to open any browser and you are going to open this website which is called pairdrop.net, and according to their privacy policy they do not save any of our files, so we are secure. So here you can see we can pair and airdrop files from our iPad to our Windows machine. So this app will allow us to receive the files wirelessly and you can see its name is this one. In your case it will be different. Now moving or coming back to the iPad, you're going to open the Voice Memos application. Again, you're going to select one or multiple voice memos, whichever you wanted to send. You're going to click on share and from here we're going to simply go to and click on save to files and we can save it within our iPad's file directly. So I am going to save it in the files folder. Just make sure wherever you are saving your voice memos. After that, you're going to go back and you're going to open any browser and you're going to open the same PairDrop website on your iPad. And now if your laptop and your iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, they should show each other. If they are not showing, you can just simply reload the page on both the devices. And here you can see my iPad is showing my Windows machine. So I'm going to click on it. I am going to click on choose file and from here I am going to go in my iPad folder. I have the files folder and inside that I have my voice memo, if you can see. So I'm going to select my voice memo and after that I am going to click on open. Now on your Windows machine you can see file transfer requested, so we're just simply going to accept it. You can see it has been received and we can download it. So we can just simply click on these three dots and click on download, and in this way the file will be saved in our Windows machine. So let me just show you. So here is the audio file that we transferred from our iPad to our Windows machine wirelessly. So yeah guys, these are the two ways to transfer voice memos from your iPad to your Windows or Mac. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like this video. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.